Hi guys, Avik here from the Global Developer Network. In this video, we're going to be completing FreeCodeCamp's challenge called Add Placeholder Text to a Text Field. So what a placeholder does is it displays a suggestion maybe to a user, such as enter your first name, or enter your email or mobile. So what we'll do is add an attribute called Placeholder, and we have to add cat photo URL. So you can see here that it's a placeholder and we don't need a backspace. As soon as we start typing, it goes away. So that's what a placeholder text is. Alright, so let me know in the comment section below where you had difficulty in this challenge and whether you like this video tutorial or not. Also, please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel for future updates. Alright, so see you in the next video.